Welcome to another episode of Field Phone Ops. This episode, the West German FF OBZB field telephone. Okay, this is a West German FF OBZB field phone. These were developed by the West Germany for the Bundeswehr, which is their army, in the late 50s as replacement to a lot of the old World War II phones they had. Is designed to be a two-wire system and be able to be used in local battery and common battery mode. So here's the phone itself, Bakelite case. It actually has a spot right here where you can plug in a patch cord, which allows you to patch two phones together for testing or for using like that. The carry strap is removable. It does have a nice handset hook on it right there. This is if you hung the phone on the tree or off something, you could hang the handset right there on it. It's got a spot right here to write down the phone number, station number. Of course, it's got the phonetic alphabet on it. Bakelite case. There's the hand crank. It actually folds down instead of being removable. Open it up, push the button, and here we go. Inside the cover, we've got a schematic, how the phone operates. They also give you, here's your patch cord right here that they provide. That's to patch two phones together. And they also provide you this. This is actually a external cord that lets you run the battery pack inside your clothing in cold weather to help keep it operating better. Handset right here, push to talk. It's got a cloth cord. Cloth cords deal better with cold weather. Can be removed right here. Pop it off, pop it back on. It also has another spot right here to connect a second handset if you wanted to do that. This white button here is for performing a check of the magneto and the ringer. You can actually short across these two terminals, push this button, and crank, and it'll ring. That demonstrates that your magneto is generating, and it shows you're receiving an incoming phone call. The battery pack is right here. It's in this neat little pack right here like this. Open it up. Batteries go in it, and like I said, it can be operated either inside here like this, or you can plug it into this little unit right here, which plugs into that, and then the other one plugs in, and you can keep that inside your clothing. Keeps the battery pack warm in cold weather. We're not going to run it like that, but you can do that. This ring control right here, two settings, loud and soft on the ring. Right now it's set for OB mode, which is local battery. The Germans had decided that when it's operating in local battery mode, that the handset would be stored like this. It's got this little rubber piece right here. And the handset was stored outside the case. That's for local battery mode. That's what the book says to do. But, I'll show you a little bit more. OB, local battery. Then by swinging this out, you made it into a common battery mode. In this mode, the phone would sit like that. You close the case, and they actually had a dialing unit that fit under so you could make dial phone calls. I don't have that, but there it is right there. Instructions how to operate it. Binding post right here. Standard binding post screw off. It's got a hole in the center of the pin. Put the field wire in, screw it down tight, and you're ready to go. Okay, let's go ahead, and I'm going to stop right now. I'm going to get out a FT602 field phone, and we'll go ahead and make some field phone calls and show you how it works. Okay, I have it hooked up to my FT602 field phone using some field wire right here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to test it out. I'm going to show you how it works in common battery mode. We're going to call from the FT602 to the ZBOB. So here we go. Hear it ring. The ring's not very loud. Go ahead and do an audio check. Test one, two. Test one, two. Still not very loud. Gives you an idea of how loud it is. Okay, next, I'm going to go ahead and do the other way. I'm going to call from the OBZB to the 602. I'm going to do the hand crank. Good strong ring. I'm going to demonstrate one more thing. I'm going to set this up for common battery operation, and you can see that this is interesting. You can still operate it as a point-to-point phone in common battery mode. We'll go ahead and get this rewired here like this. Okay, we'll go ahead and set it up there. Now we're going to go ahead and call this way. Okay, it rings. Now the interesting thing is, if you take it off hook, it doesn't ring. So if you wanted to run it in an off hook mode and set it up like this and use a little hook switch, you could do that. Off hook, no ring. On hook, ring. And that's it. And this is the German FF OBZB field phone. Thanks for watching.